Hi everyone. Rather than showing you more hiking content, we've decided to change it up a bit with a video from our time snorkeling in Caye Caulker in Belize. In this short production, we'll show you highlights of the full day snorkeling tour that we did from Caye Caulker, Belize. After that, we'll show you some other awesome things to do on the island. By doing a snorkeling tour from Caye Caulker, you can explore the protected Chane Marine Reserve, which is the star attraction of the world-class Belize Barrier Reef Reserve System. In terms of tour options, you can choose between a half day or a full day tour. Most people do a full day tour as it's better bang for buck and you'll get to see all of the main attractions. In terms of companies offering these Caye Caulker snorkeling tours, there are plenty to choose from. Personally, Beck and I chose to do the most popular Caye Caulker snorkeling tour offered on GetYourGuide, which is run by Salt Life Eco Tours. We can vouch for this company and tour as we had an amazing time on the day. As you can see from the footage, there are loads of fish, stingrays, eagle rays, and turtles to explore during a Caye Caulker snorkeling tour in Belize. Perhaps the highlight of snorkeling in Caye Caulker is exploring Shark Ray Alley. This area of the whole Chane Marine Reserve is home to nurse sharks, which are harmless to humans. Once you've explored the best spots in the reserve, including Shark Ray Alley, you'll have lunch. After that, you'll make stops at other attractions such as the Sunken Shipwreck, aka the Belizean Titanic, Conch Shell Graveyard, Coral Gardens, and the Seahorse Viewing Platform. For more information about this awesome tour, make sure to read our blog post about Caye Caulker snorkeling tours in Belize. You'll find the link to the blog post and a link to the Get Your Guide tour that we did in the description below. Of course, other than snorkeling, there are many other amazing things to do in Caye Caulker, Belize. This includes going to Stingray Beach, which is next to the jetty at the Iguana Reef Inn. As the name suggests, the beach is a fantastic place to see, interact, and even swim with stingrays. It's also one of the most popular places to watch the sunset on the island. Another fun thing to do in Caye Caulker is to go to the Tarpon feeding dock. You'll briefly visit this area during a full day snorkeling tour from Caye Caulker, but by visiting the dock, you can spend more time feeding the tarpons. We also recommend kayaking in Caye Caulker. This is a great way to experience the island from the water at your own comfortable pace. It's also a fantastic way to explore some other natural attractions in the area, such as the beautiful mangrove forests. One of the best places to kayak is at the Split, which is a hub of activity on the island. Last but not least, we recommend watching the sunrise from the popular Ice and Beans Cafe. You can order yourself an iced coffee and then enjoy it from the beach just outside of the cafe where you can watch the sunrise.